Create a portrait text effect in Photoshop. Hi guys, how can you create the portrait text effect in Photoshop? Let's start step by step. Set your document settings and choose a black background. Click Create. Make sure the black background fits the entire canvas. Go to File, Place Embedded. Insert your image and fit it to the canvas. Press OK. Go to Select. Select Subject. After the subject is selected, press Ctrl+J to create a copy. Turn off the eye icon of the original Smart Object layer. Go to View, New Guide. Select Vertical and press OK. Use the Move tool to drag the guide exactly to the center of the image. Select the Text tool and add your text. Adjust the font size, spacing, and position properly. Press OK when done. Make a copy of the selected subject layer. Drag the copied subject layer to the top. Right-click and select Create Clipping Mask. Select Layer 1, go to Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Select the subject layer 1 and add a layer mask. Go to Adjustment Layer, Solid Color. Choose White and press OK. Drag this solid color layer below the masked image layer. Open the color picker and select Black. Press OK. Drag the guideline toward the corner and remove. Go to Adjustment Layer, Black and White. Drag this layer to the top of all layers. Press OK. And that's it. Your portrait text effect in Photoshop is now complete.